Hey guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I done my DIY glitter wallpaper, where it's just show and tell. So this is a DIY glitter wallpaper I done for my new house. We just moved a house. We moved to a 4-bedroom bungalow, and I just wanted my living room to be a bit, I wanted the glitter living room. Yeah, so I got this carpet glitter wall paper. This one is not like a paper, it's more like a carpet. You got the carpet backing, so it's really easy to lay on the wall. It's a bit hard to lay it because it's a bit heavy, but what is good about it is when you make a mistake, you can remove it off the wall and then reapply it again without it being damaged, unlike the normal wallpapers. Once you remove it off the wall once or twice, you just see that it's not straight again. You can't get it the same way again. But with this, we like some of them we had to remove more than 5 times to be able to get it straight on the wall, because I was doing it with the children alone. But we managed to be able to do it, and because it's got the carpet backing, it doesn't go wrinkle and that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what we done. And my advice is, when you are doing it and you are not professional, buy a loose grater and get a Mod Podge. So at the joining, every joint, what I done is I put Mod Podge there, and then I put the loose grater there, and it just fill it in. So while I just show, and under the TV, you can see there's line there. When I get close up, the lines there. I use Mod Podge. There was a space there that you could really see the joining, because I couldn't cut it straight. But I use Mod Podge to put there, and then I put the grater on it, and it dried up and it just blended in. So here I just put LD light with it, and this is the blue color, and green and red color come on, so you can have it any mood that you like. I love it. It turns out really nicely, to be honest, especially doing a DIY. I've had a few people that comes here and ask me, who done this for you? I've got few people that asked me about it and thought I'd professionally done it. So I think it came out really nicely. So yeah, my second advice for you is also get don't buy only the wallpaper adhesive. Buy a carpet spray that you use to lay carpet. The reason is because this is like carpet, so the carpet spray really get it to lay better than just the normal adhesive. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let us know if you have any suggestion or what you like to see us doing in this channel. So I've got few of DIY videos that I've done for the house that is going to be coming out. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.